Nothing. I'm just really happy being here. It's my second film with Ayan. He's the closest human being I have in my life, and I'm really proud and happy to be part of his second directorial venture. Really excited, really nervous for him, and I'm sure you guys are going to love this. लेट तो नहीं क्योंकि मैं भी 30 साल का हूँ, अभी तक मेरी शादी भी नहीं हुई है, मेरे दूध के दांत भी अभी तक गिरे नहीं है. तो I think we are at times now कि we should not give deadlines to marriage age. जब प्यार होता है तो शादी होगी, जब शादी होगी तो फिर बच्चे होंगे. तो I think everything is a natural progress. This is I think Ayan's teaching to me.
बदतमीज दिल कैची लिरिक्स है यार, हिट हो जाएगा तो हम कहेंगे वाह क्या लाइन था, नहीं हिट हुआ तो बोलेंगे इसको अभी इंटेलेक्चुअलाइज करना है तो हम कर सकते हैं कि इट्स अबाउट द irreverence of life, the subtleties of joys, it's about the abandon of youth. Actually it's just a really potential hit hook line, that's what it is.
राज तो एक्चुअली ये डायरेक्टर्स जो स्क्रिप्ट लिखते हैं, जो लेखक स्क्रिप्ट लिखते हैं, उन्होंने दे कीप द नेम्स. में नहीं आता कि नहीं मुझे इस फिल्म में बर्फी, अगली फिल्म में लड्डू, फिर झंडू बाम और ये सब नाम बट आई एम लकी क्योंकि आई थिंक नेम्स लाइक दिस व्हिच आर लिटिल क्वर्की, इट स्टेज विद यू. The fact that you can recall my name from the trailer, I think it's a fun name, it's a cute name, Bunny, and I think maybe Ayan thinks कि मेरे दांत जो है वो Bugs Bunny के जैसे दिखते हैं, इसलिए उसने Bunny लिखा है. Me and Deepika worked together 4 years back now. It was our second film together, and we were very new. We were still finding ourselves in movies as actors. And today when I work with Deepika, I'm really amazed because I can really proudly say that she's fantastic in the film. And seeing her growth as an actor, seeing her experience, her intelligence, what she has brought to the character. And it's amazing to work with co-stars like this because it only makes your job easier. If one would smile. See, when you have such a pretty smile, such a pretty actress working opposite you, you automatically can act like you're in love. It's not hard to act in love with her, but so I think it's amazing. No, actually, on the contrary, those films are far more easier than a Ye Jawani Hai Diwani because आपके पास एक character है. ये character एक तरीके से चलता है, ऐसे बात करता है, इसके कपड़े ऐसे हैं. When you play urban characters like this, it somewhere reflects your own personality, and it's very hard to actually bring that on screen. क्योंकि you have to be real, you have to be yourself, you have to be spontaneous. You don't have any crutches for support. So I think Ye Jawani Hai Diwani has been really a hard character for me. Actually मुझे अभी तक character समझ नहीं आया है, सिर्फ अयान को ये character समझ में आया. But I enjoyed. Sometimes it's good to break your films and characters with a character like this.
I mean, we all know what a big star he is today, and the amazing films that he's done, the amazing performances that he's given. He's won all the awards last year. He's won all the awards this year. So it feels great to have seen his growth. We've actually known each other right from our very first film, and to see that growth in the last 4-5 years, I feel proud.
Title, which I have to thank Rose Movies, who gave us the title. We thought the title was apt. Ayan's first choice for this film was Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, and it's from the film and of course the title. All I can say is that I think she's part of 4 immensely credible endeavors. Each one of them, I think, different from the other. Ye Jawani Diwani, very different from Ram Leela, very different from Chennai Express and Rajinikanth sir's film. So I think variety should be applauded and not the consistency of it.
पहली बार एक लड़की ने नहीं, एक लड़के ने मुझे कहा था, मिस्टर बंसाली ने, जब मैंने अपना टावल गिरा दिया था, तो आई थिंक वो शॉट के बाद उन्होंने कहा कि आप जवान हो गए.
Naina Talwar is a girl who is extremely introverted, shy, a girl who's not coming to her own. She appreciates people around her, but she can never understand how to be that person. And then she meets certain people. It's her journey of experiences, of meeting people, and then how she comes into her own. If I may say, I identify a lot with that character because it's something that I think I've gone through in my own life.
In my opinion, though it's my own film, I really think that Ranveer and Deepika could be the best on-screen couple of our generation. I think they're really great in the film together.